In this video, I will be showing you how to make character in Character AI. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to install the Character AI application. For that, what you have to do is to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, what you have to do is to search Character AI. And in the Character AI, what you have to do is to install it. So make sure after installing it, it's up to date and to the latest version. What after that, open up. Once you have opened up the application, this is the interface you're gonna see once the application has been booted up. So here you guys can see that there are different sort of chats that you can go through with, but there is another thing that you can do. It is a create button. For example, in the create button, you can go to the character, and in the character, you can create a character. For example, I'm gonna create a character naming it. So what I have to do is to basically describe my character. Uh, and you can simply press on the generate button so you guys can so the AI can generate it. So either you can upload a AI photo, or you can actually create upload your own photo in the character. So once you have done that, it will be created right away. So for example, if you want to create a line, how you can introduce the Raman, which is my character name, I'm gonna simply type in a line. So after that, what you have to do is to press the next button. So either you can make it public, you can unlisted it, or make it private. For me, I'm gonna make it private, so I can go with the image generation with this character, and after that, all I have to do is to press the create button. It will take a few minutes until the actual thing has been created up. So now the Venom character has been created up. What I can do, I can call him and I can text with him. So let's talk with him. See, it is actually telling me about what I have created it for. For example, I have said him that this is the top industry businessman and he's answering the questions related to that. So that is how you can create a character in Character AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.